In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate VPN on Opera Browser PC. Opera includes a free built-in VPN that can add a layer of privacy by masking your IP address, which is helpful on public Wi-Fi or when you want a bit more anonymity. Keep in mind, this is for privacy, not total invisibility, and some sites may block VPN traffic or load a bit slower. With that in mind, let's get set up. First, open the Opera browser on your PC. It's best if you're on a recent version so all the VPN options appear as shown. On the left side of the window, look for the sidebar. Click the settings gear icon there to open Opera's settings. If you don't see the sidebar, don't worry. Opera can hide it depending on your layout. You can also open settings directly with the keyboard shortcut Alt+P on Windows. Once you're in, you'll be in the right place to turn the VPN on. Inside Settings, find and click the VPN section in the left panel. This takes you straight to Opera's built-in VPN controls. Here, turn on the Enable toggle. As soon as you switch it on, Opera adds a small VPN indicator near the address bar. That icon lets you quickly see whether the VPN is active and gives you access to quick controls without returning to settings. If a website isn't loading correctly, you can turn the VPN off temporarily from that same icon, then turn it back on when you're done. Next, choose your VPN location. Opera typically offers regions such as Optimal Location, Americas, Europe, or Asia. Optimal location is a good default because it usually provides the best balance of speed and stability. If you need a different region, pick it from the list. After changing locations, give the page a moment to refresh so your new route takes effect. That's all you need to activate and use Opera's VPN. Open Opera, go to Settings, click VPN, enable it, and select a location. Enjoy your browsing with a little extra privacy.